Hello, YouTube vintage stereo collectors. I'm looking out the window, it's freezing rain again. Anyway, at the end of February, that's what we get. But here's something nice. Yamaha CR-55, Canadian market, black face rather than silver, similar to a CR-200. Kind of let you look at the way it's built. Kind of an interesting model because it's actually quasi-complementary with output capacitors, which you don't see it. Not many. Yamaha didn't go for that. They're usually push-pull, with a complementary pair. But this is made nice. It weighs about 19 pounds. It's 20 watts per channel. Picked this one up locally. Thank you, Gord. And it is in very nice shape. Right channel's coming through garbled, left channel not at all. Somebody's changed one side of the output transistors. It's all the original caps. So I'm kind of going to go stage by stage, doing some testing, and probably replace the output transistors, the drivers, and all the caps. That's what will end up happening. There's nothing burned, nothing missing. And one thing I remember about these, very nice sound, tube-like warm sound, clear. You can push it right to the edge of its power rating and it sounds so nice. These were really nice. I did a CA-44 recently, and boy, that's one of the best sounding 20 watt per channel amps I've ever remember. Maybe Sansui comes close. But anyway, thanks for watching and listening.